All right, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of
Candid Cleaning Conversations.
How you doing? So, you guys, I was sitting there talking to Miss Johnson about all this money she be making, and I
Oh,
said,
girl, wait a minute. Don't be trying to put me on there like I'm just making all this money. Okay.
anyway, you
No,
guys,
that's how you
uh-uh,
attract the wolves. We ain't
uh-uh.
gonna put it out there like that.
So, anyway, I was talking to Miss Johnson
Look,
about all the money
I'm
that she
not
be
rich yet.
making. Okay, she's not where she want to be, but my whole point I'm trying to make is how she's able to balance everything and not have to worry about looking at a paycheck. I mean, looking at a receipt. Like, I'm like, me walking into this, y'all, I was like, oh, wait a minute, how much they got cost? I'm like, wait a minute, wait a minute, you can't pay, you can't, what you doing? You know?
So this episode is all about creating multiple streams of income so that you can stay afloat. Because nowadays, one stream of income is very
It's like one stream of income is like one stream of income where you going broke, honey. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You need more than one because you really aren't gonna be living paycheck to paycheck with your mindset.
one stream of income is dangerous, you guys.
Yeah.
I want y'all to really realize how dangerous it is for you to only have one stream of income, especially if you are working a job
Mm-hmm.
and you if you get fired, you stuck until you find another job, another,
Mm-hmm.
you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Um, and especially if you don't have any help in the house, you don't have a spouse helping you out, and it's just you
Mm-hmm.
with your $1,700 a month rent and
Mm-hmm.
$2,000 a month rent,
Mm-hmm.
man, that's devastating, man. You are in some bad shape if you have one stream of income. So I'm going to be talking about my streams of income that I was able to create throughout the years because I started to understand how the rich are able to really leverage and live comfortably. Um, and that's what I wanted to make this podcast all about, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you too long.
All right. All
But
right.
one of the streams of income that I was able to create, you all know, is I started a cleaning company. Okay, so that
Yes.
is one of my streams of income. I have a cleaning company. Okay, and then after I started my cleaning company,
Mm-hmm.
COVID hit.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody got scared, trying to figure out what the hell they gonna do. I said, well, you know what? I know how to become a six-figure earner because I was a six-figure earner at the time. I said, well, I might as well start teaching people how I was able to grow my cleaning company and become a six-figure earner.
Mm-hmm.
So I started to teach and I created Tenacity Academy. Okay, you guys.
Yes.
So that is another stream of income. I have a mentorship program where I coach other cleaning business owners and I teach them my steps on how I was able to grow my cleaning company. Okay. Um, so that's just another stream of income.
Which is really good, by the way, you guys. Please join the community and you will see all the value
Please
that
do.
she has to offer you guys. Please, please, please.
Please do. The next stream of income that I decided to create was digital products. Okay, so we have a
Mm.
lot of digital products, and that is another stream. And these are, mind me, these are streams of income that are coming in where I don't really have to do a lot of work. The only stream that I have where I'm physical in is the mentorship because I do coaching and
Mhm.
I do my live coachings on Saturday at 8 o'clock, for the community and stuff like that. But for the most part, the rest is I don't have to do any work. It's just set and forget. So I created digital products. I have 100 business forms that I sell for $80. Okay,
Okay.
and we've been able to generate over $30,000 just off of selling those forms,
That's
for eighty
crazy.
dollars.
That's crazy.
Not only that,
Mhm.
but I sell courses as well.
Okay.
So I started selling courses. My first course was like $97 or something. I think it was like $55. My very first course. It was just a tester course, but it actually did some numbers. I think that course did over 30,000. My very first
Wow.
course. So yeah, that was what it was it. what was it?
I was,
Foreclosure clean out course. Yeah, I think it was
yeah.
like $55. I ran an ad on it, and it did crazy sales or
Okay,
whatever.
okay.
All that money didn't come on in at one time, but the beauty of these streams of income is you set it and you forget it. You don't have to do the work anymore. So money is just flowing to your bank account
Mm-hmm.
periodically throughout the day,
Mm-hmm.
throughout the week, throughout the month. You are just bling, you just getting these sales in. And that's the beauty of it.
That's
Okay.
good, you guys. I mean, because creating those multiple streams of income is very, very good because who do you not know that does not swipe their card every day? You constantly have money coming out of your account every single day. And having those multiple streams of income is very, very important because now you don't have to worry about missing anything. And God forbid if something was to happen, like you want to, like a natural disaster comes and you need to pack up your family and you need to go. What if, you know what I'm saying? Just what if, and having those multiple streams of income creates the income for you to be able to do things. Just on, oh, well, I just want to go take me a vacation, or oh, I just
Right.
want to go out to eat. You know?
And it's like it creates that daily money that's coming in versus you waiting 2 weeks for somebody
Yeah.
to pay you.
Yes.
Okay. The next stream of income that I have is being an affiliate. So I am an affiliate for several different things, insurance companies,
Mm-hmm.
Booking Koala. I have a LLC affiliate link.
Mm-hmm.
I have I'm an affiliate for Clean Biz Network.
Shout
Like
out.
I'm an affiliate for anything that I really fit have value in that I actually use. I
Mm-hmm.
become an affiliate for it because if it worked out for me, it'll work out for somebody else. So also our credit company, DIY, Tenacity DIY,
Oh, she ain't even told y'all about that.
that's another stream of income. So, I have that. That is it's a white label account, and where you could just go in there and just do your own credit. You could it'll send the forms out for you, send out your dispute letters and everything. But that's just another stream of income.
Okay.
Okay. And like I said, affiliates, man, I love the affiliate game because you really don't have to do anything for that, but just speak on the stuff that you use. Like
Mm-hmm.
I have a company that has helped me fix my credit. And when they were able to help me fix my credit, I became an affiliate for them because I say, you know what, I'm gonna speak and tell the world about how y'all helped me out.
Right.
You know what I
Right.
mean? And I became an affiliate for that as well. So all of these are different streams of income that are just flowing into our bank account. Okay, not only that, but another stream of income is digital ebooks.
Yeah.
Okay, so I actually just put an ebook out. It's a free ebook right now, but it will be on sale pretty soon because we have been getting some really good reviews off of that book.
Yes.
And I said, damn it, I should have had it on sale for $37 or something
You
like that,
know.
But it is what it is. It's free right now, but it will be on sale soon. So y'all make sure y'all pick that ebook up that I have 99 ways to market and advertise your cleaning company. Okay. Another stream of income that we have is dun, 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 we sell t-shirts. And this is more so on the digital product side as well,
Mm-hmm.
where if you go on our YouTube channel and you look down, you'll see all of our t-shirts that we created.
Mm-hmm.
I just went on Canva, man. I went and I just made some t-shirts off of Canva and put them up on Teespring.
Mm-hmm.
And now we have a digital product that we sell. I don't have to ship any shirts off. I like it when it's like that because I
Yeah.
don't have time to do no work. You
Right.
understand? I created all these streams of income off of my cleaning company. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
I sell to cleaning business owners stuff that cleaning business owners can use. Okay, so I didn't go off and start a whole new business. Like,
Mm-hmm.
I created one business and then I created streams of income underneath that umbrella. Okay, and I don't have to do anything but set it and forget it, you guys.
Right.
That's it. Okay, so I that's another stream of income that I
I ain't
have.
even gonna lie. I really like the t-shirts.
Hmm.
I mean, I like everything, but just the t-shirts. I mean, you have to. So, you should be your number one supporter, and
Right.
to be able to market your brand. And these t-shirts, honey, believe it or not, they are conversation starters. It's like we can be somewhere, and me and Miss Johnson have on our t-shirts, and they'll turn around and look and be like, Excuse me.
Yeah.
Tenacity. Can you tell me more?
I had a lady say, I love that t-shirt. Where
Yeah.
did you get it from? I'm like, you can scan this
Okay.
right here. Bloop, bloop. Yep. And I got me a sale. I was right there in Home Depot or one of them
Okay.
places I see that lady. Okay, but conversation starter shirts. Okay.
Mhm.
I'm doing it and I'm just really just telling you guys what I did. I created some conversation starter shirts
Right.
and I sold them. I created them off of canva.com.
Mhm.
Okay. And then I sell them on my YouTube page. Okay.
Wow.
So speaking of YouTube,
That's a form of your income.
that is another stream of income. Okay. So my YouTube channel, we get a check from YouTube on the 21st of the month.
Mhm.
Okay, so that is another stream of income that comes in for your girl. Okay, so you guys are kind of getting the picture of creating something that comes in and you don't really have to work for it because you don't have time. I don't have time to work for it. I want to be able to focus. When I did my ebook, she know I worked on that ebook for about 2 days straight. I want to say about 2 days
Non-stop.
nonstop. I didn't do nothing but work on that ebook. You know, I didn't take no phone calls. I was laser target focused on that ebook 2 days straight. I was up all night and I finally got finished. It was probably about 2 o'clock in the morning. And then we had to go through the uploading stage of it,
Yeah.
and we had to like watch YouTube videos and figure out how to get it up, you know. But then it's still like a set and forget type thing. You set
Right.
it and that's it. All you're doing is marketing at this point,
Right.
you know, and you can pay someone to market for you. So now it's automated, you guys. I love the game that we in right now. I'm telling you,
Cannot
I
stress it enough.
love it because
Mm.
it's allowed me to create different streams of income that will keep us afloat.
Right.
Okay, because I spend a lot of money every day, you know, especially on food. But that's another
Let's
that's
not
another
go there.
okay. But another stream of income that I have is we have a community. Okay. Yeah,
Oh,
you forgot about that one,
I
didn't you?
totally
Look at
forgot.
she's talking about,
Man, let
yeah.
me tell y'all something. Things get real, okay? You be forgetting about certain things when I totally forgot.
Yes, we actually have a community. It's free to join right now. But we do have another plan where we charge $55 a month.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and that's to get all of our live Q&A calls and all of our courses. And you know, we still go live every Saturday, 8
Right.
o'clock, you know, that type of thing. But that's for $55 a month.
Mm-hmm.
And that is recurring, you know. So your clients come in, they put their credit card information in and it just swipes the credit card every 30 days. Easy. That's something else that I don't have to physically work a 9 to 5 to get. You know what
Right.
I mean? So you just only thing I have to do is work on building a community, you know. So it's another stream of income. It's
Right.
another stream of income. And last but not least, I actually get a social security check, you know, at the end of the year. Not the end of the year, but I get it every month. You know what I'm saying? And that's some for something personal or whatever. But I get that. That's just another stream that I got. You know, so I have different streams of income that I have created that comes in that actually helps us out. You know, helps me stay afloat
Mm-hmm.
with all the kids I have. You
Right.
know, with all the responsibilities I have. I don't know what I would do if I just had one stream of income.
Lord.
I don't know where the hell I'd be at right now with one stream of income. That's dangerous. That is dangerous for me, you know, because anything can happen. Anything can happen. Just like Miss Tamika said, you know, if a tornado come through here, you know, and you got to evacuate,
Mm-hmm.
you going to wait for that 2 weeks? You ain't got time to wait 2 weeks for a check.
Right.
You ain't got time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the beautiful thing about having a business is you can leverage business credit. You know, that's another
Yes.
thing that's another reason why you guys need to get serious about a business. You can
Yes.
leverage business credit.
Okay.
So, you know, when these hard times hit, like COVID, and things are going to happen. It's
Yeah.
bound to happen.
Right.
You won't find yourself like falling into this deep depression because you don't have the money and you can't
Do certain things.
feed
Yeah.
your family, man. So that's my time. I just wanted to share with you guys all of my personal streams of income that I was able to create throughout the year, okay, of being a business owner. And I'm
Hmm.
always thinking of different ways I can create a new digital product, or I can become an affiliate, or something, so that I can actually help somebody else and help our company as well. Like, it's a win-win here.
Right.
Okay, I can help
Right.
you and I can help me. But I want you guys to start thinking, just get strategic and start thinking about some different streams of income that you can create within your company. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So you got any closing words? I know I was talking a lot.
No, it's all right, honey. Because when it comes to talking about your multiple streams of income, you should be proud. That is a celebration for you, us, whatever. I mean, come on, man. A lot of y'all need to go ahead and celebrate whatever it is that you do, because it could be a whole lot worse. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm proud of you.
Thank you, girl. I'm proud of you too, girl.
Sure. Hmm.
All
All
right.
right, y'all.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna close out this podcast. I hope you guys were able to I was able to shed some kind of light on your world, okay? And you guys were taking some notes, and you guys are going to start creating some multiple streams of income today. All right. I'm Miss Johnson. This is Miss Tamika, and we are out of here.
Hey.